Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading Fruity Parametric EQ2 on the mix insert for the sound you're shaping. Play a short loop at mix level so your ears match the meter. Once done, solo the channel to focus. Make sure the spectrum is visible and set resolution high for accuracy. This reveals resonances and problem areas. Use the input gain so the analyzer reads a realistic level. This gets you immediate, actionable visual feedback before any surgical EQ moves. Now you'll diagnose and correct. Use a narrow Q band and sweep slowly to find boxy or ringing frequencies. When you hear the problem, cut 3 to 6 dB and widen Q until it sits naturally. For low end, engage a high pass around 20 to 40 Hz to remove rumble and use a low shelf to tame or enhance bass. Once intelligibility is the focus, add subtle wide boosts around 2 to 6 kHz for presence and a light high shelf for air. Trust your ears. Finish by comparing with and without the EQ using quick A/B toggles. Make sure the change improves clarity and tone rather than just loudness. Match levels to a reference track at similar LUFS so decisions are objective. If issues vary over time, automate band gains or use dynamic EQ. Once stable, render or freeze the track to save CPU. If you hear phase smear or thinness, bypass to check, toggle stereo separation, and undo the most aggressive cuts. That troubleshooting step solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.